We already know the title of the video, so let's not waste any time and get into it. So we need 3 layers and our subject will be in the second layer. The first layer will be our background and the third layer will be shadow and the fourth layer will be the light. Now suppose we are trying to make the light and shadow under trees, so we are going to choose first the leaf shower brush, this one, and then we are going to take any green color and do it randomly in the background. Make sure to keep some gaps in between. You can change the brightness and saturation as you wish. And now we are going to do the shadow part. It's better to choose a desaturated light and that is kind of close to yellow. Make sure that the bucket tool settings is for the current layer, and then we will fill the layer and change it to multiply. And then we are going to fix the saturation and the opacity of the shadow. This time also we are going to choose the leaf shower brush for the eraser. And then we will clear random parts of the picture. It doesn't matter where you click. Then we're going to choose blur and do the lens blur. Change the radius to around 15 to 20 and keep the brightness at 100%. And now in the light layer, the layer mode is going to be add. We're going to also fill up this layer with bright sunlight color and make sure to decrease the opacity of the layer because we do not need too much bright color. And this time we are going to set it for a specific layer, not current layer, and we will choose the shadow layer. And then we are going to drop the color in the light part. Keep doing it until you are finished filling up all those gaps. Now that we are almost done, we are going to choose the blur option again. This time also we will choose the lens blur. We will keep the radius not too big or too small, and you can change the opacity of the layer as you wish, and we have it almost. There's some little fixing stuff, and there you have it, folks. Now you can make things cooler with this kind of light and shadow effect. Hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I love you guys. Bye.